Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're busy building the MB78 DIY Kit from Namoki. We're moving on to the 10th step. Watch me install my bezel insert. I would encourage you to just take a deep breath here, get yourself calm, especially when it comes to installing the insert. Take your time, because it's not a very difficult step, and when you get it just spot on, it is very, very satisfying. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step. So this step calls for a movement cushion, a finished watch, a bezel inserts, the 3M adhesive, and some scissors, as well as pegwood and tweezers. This first step was a recommendation from the channel Loom Shot, and he recommends cutting the adhesive in two and then use the pegwood to separate the backing from the adhesive on the inner ring, and I remove that. Right, then I use tweezers to take the adhesive layer off of the second backing paper for the inner portion of this. This is quite fiddly, and you've got to take your time about it and make sure you don't make a mess. But I managed to achieve it. I don't use these often. Usually I just use hypodermic adhesive. Alright, so here we go. Now we're putting it onto the bezel. Ensure that this is up on the outer edge of the bezel. Use your pegwood to rub it down. We repeat the process for the second half. Use the pegwood to rub it in place. And then once that's in place, I'm just going to take time to see that the bezel's turning well and that the adhesive hasn't overlapped between the bezel and the case. When I'm satisfied that it's moving well, I take the backing off of the front, and now we have a bezel ready to receive the insert. Now I use the top corners of the triangles and the bottom corner of the triangle as my reference points to align the bezel insert well, because you want to drop the back edge onto the adhesive in the perfect position, and then you can bring the rest into place. Once it's down, it's down. So you want to get the alignment right with the triangle and then drop it in place. Now have a look at how good this is looking. We need to shine this up a little, get rid of smudges and finger marks. Ooh, this is our watch that we have built with our own two hands. Speaking of hands, let's get 10 past 10, and there it is. Styling. Well done. Look what you have done.